everyone, welcome back to Tina Atlantic. In today's video, we will learn how to make spicy garlic shrimps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. For our ingredients, we have shrimps, garlic, parsley and spring onion, these spices, and half lemon juice. We set a saucepan on a high heat and add some oil. Now we pour the garlic in it and stir for 1 minute. As the garlic is getting brown, we add the shrimps and stir for 3 minutes. Since it's on a high heat, you continue to stir until the shrimps are brown. Then we add salt to taste and stir. Under a low heat, we add paprika, black pepper, and chilli flakes. Then we continue to stir. Make sure the ingredients are well mixed. Then we add the spring onion and parsley. Then we stir. The last one, we add the lemon juice as the final ingredients. Wow! Now our spicy garlic shrimp is ready! Wow! You definitely have to try this recipe and know how delicious it is. Wow! Yummy! So delicious! It can be served with bread, rice, or any food of your choice. You are invited! Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.